Hello friends, today we learn about polynomials. In this case, the division of polynomials, and this division we solve by synthetic division method. In this synthetic division method, the divisor must be in the form of x minus a or x plus a. म्हणजे आपल्याला सिंथेटिक डिव्हिजन मेथडनी पॉलिनॉमियल सोडवताना त्याचा डिवायझर आहे तो x minus a or किंवा x plus a. In this division method, first step is divided right in the form of index form, and second step means this divided right we have to write this in coefficient form, and if divisor is x minus a, take opposite of this minus a, that is plus a. Now for this three steps we have to take example. First example is in bracket 2y raised to the power 4 minus 3 into y cube plus 5y minus 4 bracket complete divided by y minus 1. Now in this case this is divided and this is divisor. So in solution this dividend, in first step we have to write this dividend in index form. म्हणजे ही जो डिवाइडंड आहे हे डिवाइडंड आपल्याला इंडेक्स फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं आहे, म्हणजे स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं आहे. म्हणजे त्याची डिग्री जो आहे ती डिग्री डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मध्ये आली पाहिजे. सो आय राईट दिस डिवाइडंड ॲज 2y raised to the power 4 minus 3y cube plus, now in this case degree of this variable y, that is 4 3 2. So in this case that is not y square, so I write this 0 y square. Now y means it plus 5y and this minus 4. This is in the index form. Now we have to write this polynomial in coefficient form. So in coefficient form we have to write this. This is the coefficient. So coefficient of this is 2, comma minus 3, comma 0, comma plus 5, comma minus 4. Now this is the in coefficient form. म्हणजे आपल्याला या ठिकाणी अगोदर ही डिवाइडंड जो आहे तो स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये म्हणजे इंडेक्स फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचा आहे, आणि नंतर हीच जे डिवाइडंड आहे हा आपल्याला कोएफिशिएंट फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचा आहे. नाउ थर्ड वन मीन्स दिस डिवाइजर. नाउ डिवाइजर is y minus 1. So we have to write this opposite of this minus 1. So opposite of this minus 1 is plus 1. So we have to write this, we have to divide this plus 1 to this coefficient form. So we have to solve this. Take vertical line and then horizontal line. Now write this dividend in coefficient form, that is 2 minus 3 0 plus 5 and last one, that is 4. Now this, that is opposite of this, plus 1, so I write this plus 1. Now to solve again, write first coefficient as it is. So I write this 2. Now take the multiplication of this and write in this case. So plus 1 into 2, that is plus 2. Now addition of this minus 3 plus 2, that is minus 1. Now again I write this plus 1 into this minus 1 means plus minus minus, and this is 1 into 1 means 1. Again I take this addition of 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. Now again I multiply this plus 1 and this minus 1. So I write again plus minus minus, and 1 into 1 is 1. So again take addition of this plus 4 minus 4, that is in this case subtraction. So that is 4 plus 4. Now again I multiply this plus 4 plus 1 into plus 4. So plus plus, I again write this plus, and that is in this case 4. Now I have to write this separate again, addition of this minus 4 plus 4, that is 0. That is, this is the quotient. So I write this quotient in coefficient form is 2 minus 1 minus 1 plus 4 and this is. So it is this quotient, म्हणजे हे जे क्वोशिएंट आलं हा आपल्याला अगेन इंडेक्स फॉर्म मध्ये लिहिता येईल. दॅट इज दिस इज 1 2 3 4. या ठिकाणी 4 टर्म आल्या त्याच्यामुळे या पहिल्या टर्मला आपल्याला क्यूब मध्ये फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचं. सो 2y क्यूब मायनस 1y स्क्वेअर, that is again this is y square minus y plus 4. This is the quotient. Now this last 0 is called a remainder. That is remainder is 0. That is, in this way we have to divide this by y minus 1. Answer is quotient in, that is coefficient form, and this is the answer of this quotient, and remainder is 0. So we solve practice set 3.3. आपल्याला प्रॅक्टिस सेट 3.3 मध्ये सोडवायचं आहे. 3.3 प्रॅक्टिस सेट. सो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. या ठिकाणी आपल्याला या संख्येला म्हणजे या पॉलिनॉमियलला m minus 5 ने डिवाइड करायचं आहे. सो सोल्यूशन. Now in this case also we have to write this polynomial in index form, that is standard form. म्हणजे याला आपल्याला पुन्हा इंडेक्स फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचे, स्टँडर्ड फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचे, म्हणजे डिग्री याची डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मध्ये लिहायचे. म्हणजे त्या ठिकाणी 2 1 and in this case degree 0. So this is in standard form. So solution is in standard form. 2m square minus 3m plus 10. This is the standard form. Now in coefficient form. In coefficient form, this is 2 minus 3 and that is 10. This is the coefficient form. Now this is divisor. So we have to write this m minus 5 and this minus 5 change into, that is opposite number of this minus 5 is plus 5. So we have to write this plus 5 in left hand side of this vertical line, that is plus 5, and this coefficient form is in this way 2 minus 3 and 10. Now in synthetic division you have to write this first term as it is, that is 2. Now multiplication of this 5 to the, that is 5 into 2 plus into plus, that is plus. So 5 to the 10. Now in this case, now take this minus plus, that is subtraction. We have to take subtraction. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी एक प्लस आणि एक मायनस असेल तर आपल्याला वजाबाकी करावा लागतो. सो आय राईट दिस subtraction 10 minus 3, that is plus 7. Now again I multiply this 5 7 ja plus plus, that is plus, and 5 7 ja 35. So again take addition of this 35 plus 10, that is 45. This is the last term. So in this case, this is the quotient and this is the remainder. So I write this quotient that is 2 plus 7. So I write this index form, that is this, there is only two terms. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी फक्त दोनच टर्म आहेत, त्यामुळे आपल्याला याला एक व्हेरिएबल फक्त लावायचा आहे. सो आय राईट दिस twice n plus 7. This is the quotient of this answer. And remainder, now remainder means this last term, that is 45. In this case, in this way, if you have to divide this polynomial by m minus 5, you have to take this step by step and write you have to quotient in index form and remainder. Thank you.